next stop is Sikkim, Gangtok. We're just taking a one halt. And Rishit is also there. Rishit, how are you feeling?
Oh, great.
Say something, man.
It is absolutely a wonderful trip. We are standing at an elevated top and having tea. It's a great feeling, guys. Great feeling.
Cheers.
Cheers. Hi guys, so it's a chilly evening out here at Gangtok. The temperature is at around 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. There's a cold wind blowing out. So what's the plan we have now in store is that we will go and explore M.G Marg a bit, and we'll find out how the nightlife is in Gangtok. We'll go ahead and explore a few bars and see what are the local beers or what are the local wine, liquor that we can have. I hope it would be an thrilling and an exciting experience. Bar in Gangtok, which is called as the New Bar and Restaurant. Though the name is new, but the bar is quite old, and you can understand it's like a local kind of bar, and where you get drinks in a very cheap rate. Like
So how much the price of this?
120.
So Tubok, you get Tubok at the price of 125, and you get triple X rum just for 30 rupees.
Banao. Right now. Banao. Yeah. Banao. 110% Rishit, how are you feeling, bro?
Oh, it's a great feeling, man. And Gangtok is a very nice place, an awesome nightlife, and we really enjoyed a lot, and we explored like 2-3 bars, and we finally ended up in downtown. right? And Rito Broto sang few songs for us.
Yeah.
That's Rito Broto. So that's a really great start to our trip, and we are really
It's just the
excited.
first day. It's just the first
day, and we are really excited for Lachen tomorrow. And it's like
Yeah,
a
man.
5.5 and 6 hours drive.
Also, while going to Lachen, we'll stop in some places and we'll see a new destination.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll explore some of the offbeat places, and I really request everyone to come down to offbeat places.
So how are you feeling now, bro?
High as usual.
Yeah,
So,
that-
will you lend me your gloves? I will give you $500, man. For this
Right
one.
now you can.
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर ये हाथ मुझे दे दे
Like this video. Like this video. Mobile number jogi soina. Subscribe to this channel.
Shiru, how are you feeling?
जो नहीं थे दुनिया इतने